Hi, my name is James, Master Instructor of the Dean King Training Institute here in Southern California. Now, what is paintless dent repair? Paintless dent repair is the art of meticulously massaging the metal until the dent is fully back to its original form. Now, like learning to play a musical instrument, it requires a great deal of commitment in order to achieve quality results. Learning plus patience plus practice plus more practice equals quality repairs. Like with anything new that you're learning, be patient. Oftentimes, frustration will hinder your progress. PDR is a process of removing door dings, hail, and other minor dents from a vehicle without sanding, filling, or painting. It is achieved by using specialized tools to gain access to the backside of the panel and meticulously massaging the damaged area until the dent is repaired. Paintless dent repair is achieved by locating the tip of your dent tool in the lowest part of the dent. By exerting the proper amount of pressure in the right location, you will eventually bring the dent back to its original form. Now, if you will, visualize a flat piece of aluminum foil paper, pulled tightly in all four corners. Now, take your fingernail and drag slowly back and forth on the bottom side. On the top side, you will see a slightly raised area, leaving an impression. Now, that slightly raised area would be similar to what you would see as you were dragging your tool back and forth on the bottom side of the panel. The only difference is we are relying on a light source or a reflection to bend and show us the exact location of the tip of that tool. It's like the example of the foil paper. Watch as I apply pressure with the tool. Notice how the tool begins to make a small protrusion, creating a high area in the light, causing the light to pinch, showing exactly where the tip of the tool is located. Now, we're going to attempt to find the tip of the tool in the center of the dent, which would be located right here. As I apply pressure, I move the tool slowly toward the center of the dent, downward. I am passing the dent up to show you where the tip of the tool is on the bottom of the dent. Now I'm going to go ahead and drag the tool back up toward the center and slow it down once I've found the center. Now watch as I start to exert a little bit more pressure and notice how the dent starts to expand and contract equally, both in depth and diameter. As I continue to push, I am slowly moving the tool from left to right and top to bottom, overlapping each push. And there we have it. Our reflection is nice and straight and back to its original form.